Well, another question people ask me is why should we invest into what you do in Kenya? And it's a really good question actually, but the answer is this, is that what I can do here I can't do back in Australia. I gave up a really good career. I was earning a lot of money and I just felt that reality is I can't do what I want to do. I could see what I could do here and I couldn't do it back in Australia. For example, the farm, hands-on farming, I can't do that over the internet because every area of Kenya is not the same. You've got different rainfall, different soils. Like you can drive in 20 kilometers in a stretch and have 3 different types of soils. And so you've got to see what soil they've got compared to what they can do. And they could take photos and they could video it, but you still don't have the structure of the soil in your hand. Like on the farm that I was working in the last couple of years, we had black cotton soil, but it wasn't like black cotton soil, it's different structures. So you've got different things you have to do here. One of the other things that I really I like people to support me in is this reason, is that the financial investment you give to us has been able to be transferred into other people's lives. Because if I can help other people to go from $2 a day to $4 a day, I have doubled their income. And that is something that excites me. The other thing I like doing is the hands-on personal approach. When somebody wants to be helped, they come to me and ask me, how can I help? How can I do this? And I've got many men who come to me and ask me about their relationships with their wives and their kids and struggles that they have, and there's a lot of things that I can understand now. Being here for 3 years, I understand there's 43 different cultures, there's 43 different tribes, there's 43 different people types, and all they have a different way of doing things. And you've got to understand that, and it doesn't take 5 minutes to learn, it takes a lifetime. But as you spend time with them, people like seeing you investing in people. Our whole motto of why we're here is not to give people a handout, it is to give people a hand up. And how you give them a hand up is by physically being there and talking to them, encouraging them, showing them how to do things. So that's why I want you to invest into what we do here. It's bigger than what we can do. We need everybody to come on board to help us. It's like a fire. How many cups of water does it put out a fire? Well, every cup of water that's thrown on the fire does help. How many slices of bread to make a loaf? Well, there's roughly about 36 pieces of bread. If you take one of those slices of bread out, then you won't have a full loaf. You'll never get to the full potential. And we're asking people is come on board with us and invest into people's lives here to make a difference. It is what it's about in life, is helping somebody else. Yes, I could go back and become a rich person. Yes, I can come back and have the nice cars and the nice homes. But for me and my family, we feel that we have best investment is into people's lives here, and that's what we do.